Extraordinary animals, super predators. Super predators. The tiger. The tiger is the biggest of the big cats. It can grow to up to 2.8 meters long and weigh 300 kilograms. It is a solitary predator willing to patrol for hours and travel up to 20 kilometers to find its prey. After sneaking up slowly, the tiger leaps onto its prey at lightning speed, jaws wide open. Sadly, there are hardly any tigers left in the wild. They have mostly been killed by hunters. The white tiger is a Bengal tiger with a genetic defect. The pattern on the tiger's coat is unique. The lion. The lion, king of the beasts. The lion is an impressive 250 kilogram predator that roars to defend its territory. When not hunting, the pride sleeps for 10 to 15 hours a day. Once or twice a week, when hunger strikes, the lionesses go hunting, either on their own or in a group. They always target the weakest animals. The lion is the only cat that lives and hunts in a group. The grizzly bear. A single grizzly bear can catch more than 80 salmon per day. The grizzly bear is a brown bear that lives in the northern United States and Canada. Like its polar bear cousin, it has bulging shoulder muscles. Its powerful 50 centimeter long claws are fearsome. It uses them to hunt, fight, slash open beehives, and to leave its mark on tree trunks. An omnivore, the grizzly bear can eat plants, mushrooms, and insects, as well as meat and fish. The shark. Sharks feed mainly on tuna, herring, and rays, although they do sometimes attack seals or dolphins. The great white man-eating shark is the most dangerous marine predator. Thanks to its keen sense of smell, it detects its prey well before seeing it. It then charges straight towards it and hits it with such force that it knocks the victim out. Its teeth keep growing all through its life. Sharks can detect a drop of blood in the water from more than 1 kilometer away. Tarantula. The tarantulas are the most striking of spiders. Giant tarantulas can be found in the Amazon rainforest with a leg span some 30 centimeters. The tarantula is a solitary creature most active at night. On the lookout from its burrow, it will attack any passing prey, bird, small rodent, frog, or insect, by biting it with its fangs and paralyzing it with its venom. Its hairs help it to pick up the slightest movement in the air or the ground. Most tarantula venom is harmless to humans. The vulture. Vulture is a scavenger. Its bold or fluffy neck enables it to push its head deep inside big animal carcasses. When a vulture spreads its wings, it is impressive indeed. Its piercing vision allows it to detect a dead or dying animal from the air. Vultures can be seen circling majestically in the sky for hours on end, on the lookout for food. The largest member of the family is the Andean condor, whose wingspan can spread 3 meters. The king cobra. To intimidate their prey, cobras rise up and display the skin on their necks. King cobra. The king cobra is the world's largest venomous snake and the undisputed ruler of the Indian jungle. It reaches an average length of 3 meters, and its venom is particularly deadly, paralyzing victims, even elephants, in a matter of minutes. That said, it is unusual for a cobra to attack a large mammal. It generally feeds on other snakes, occasionally small vertebrates. The Indian cobra is also known as the speckled cobra. Barracuda. The barracuda is a pretty remarkable fish. It is shaped like a torpedo and has a prominent lower jaw that makes it look quite intimidating. The biggest are more than 2 meters long. In shallow waters, the barracuda can detect prey at over 100 meters. Insatiable and speedy, it only has sharks to fear. It lives in the tropical and subtropical waters. Barracuda jaws are lined with teeth arranged like those on a saw. The hyena. Hyenas can chase prey at speeds of 60 kilometers an hour and over distances of more than 3 kilometers. Their main weapon is their ultra-strong jaws, which can crush any kind of bone. Generally operating in packs, they hound their prey and wound it deeply, then wait for it to die from its injuries. They hunt the same live prey as lions do, but can also survive on animal carcasses. The spotted hyena is the most powerful hyena. By clearing the savanna of dead animals, hyenas help prevent the spread of diseases. The crocodile. The crocodile is the largest reptile, with some Nile crocodiles measuring over 7 meters in length. A fearsome carnivore, it is equipped with many razor-sharp teeth that are constantly being replaced. The crocodiles hunt animals that come to drink from the river. When hunting, it lies in wait underwater, suddenly launching itself at its prey, even jumping out of the water. Once it has its victim trapped in its powerful jaws, it drags it down beneath the surface before gobbling it up. The end.